It's your girl Crystal, one of No Floats ambassadors, and today I'm just here to tell you thank you for all those who made our event last weekend. So guys, it was just our driver's appreciation. It wasn't supposed to be so big. We had excellent turnout, we had great vibes. Big up to all the crew girls, big up to this particular driver, Ansman, and all the other drivers that came on. Thank you guys so much for the support in the DMs. The personnels responsible for that have been getting a lot of requests. When is the next event? When is the next event? So we are looking into that and we will definitely update you. But drivers, I know your frustration. You are still not seeing as many loads. We're trying to do what we can do to get the customers buying into the app, because this is definitely something that they need to get on. People are not necessarily used to using an app, and so it will take time. So thank you so much for your patience and continue to make it enough loads. Let us change the way we do trucking in Jamaica. So
no man don't perfect, no, we have our vices and our plans. They want me to stumble, I go so hard, I take no pass.
Any girl now dance up COVID? You sure now COVID? Come and me test a girl. Come here. Shake. Make your body shake, girl. Shake. Make your body shake. 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 Make your body shake. Why not go down? Why not go down no?
Come down. Tap the truck. So turn around to me side now, turn around one. That way, I don't want to. Yeah.
Working so hard, up I get the less pay. Overtime to the net until the next day. Bossman so my chewing job I done the best way. Job hurt me side, no money for the one. Half you walk a man, I got no fear for the taxi. Taxi I raise it like the bossman one box me. Walk one star, every taxi man a hacks me. Give me till them never go take it from me, mark me. Money no enough, but me got so much more for free. Rent due today. My God, me can't believe. One with a stall, rich man gonna leave. Ball say hard, and them me not believe. Don't pass good while no pass a Babylon. Don't pass deep when I'm living for a recession. When food we eat, they give you.
Them say big money popping and now me not see. Me not see no Benz, me not see no be my Jeep. You know I smoking and me I represent enough loads that come. You hear me I say no man, want everybody get the up that know it.
What if you stop me, I do this for me a thing, yeah. I'm off into a mania. I'm off in. But, bitch, speak on a killer cup. Once we get the... I up the above, God bless, love. I up the above, peace, love. Yes. Peace, respect. Yes. See him, sir? Oh, yes. Say that! Sin. Check out my swag, you know when you win. Anything we touch, any style a man bring, that's say that. Curry and kitchen and chicken and wing. Airport sticker bank cover shop plane. That's
Hello? So I see I pick this. Mix up us. Me need help. Stammer, one thing I have. Listen. Landlord boy, tell me something. In the name of Jesus, just leave me. Yeah. So what you plan for though? Me need
moving truck so me can take all my things. Hey, where you worry yourself for? Link up enough loads, trucker up, then pick up and drop off in a zap. Right now, them have truckers on standby right now. Work with them, give them a call, link them on Instagram. But me have a And we're back on FF4. This Friday Fucking Radio is brought to you by Nuff Loads, the first Jamaican trucker app. Some loads that you need to be delivered? Just check the app. Your loads will deliver in a zap. If you are a trucker and you deliver some loads and you need another load to go back, just check the app. You will get a load in a zap. Let's go!
It's coming like Christmas. My honey bunch, let me feel butterfly in my belly. Don't panic, don't panic. Me no one lose your love like Titanic. Every day. I'm moving again, when we want a baby, make your family, I know I'm big fan of baby. Vision the love, give me a feel, and vision the street, and mix with babies. I'm moving again, when we want a baby, make your family, I know I'm
we definitely will be doing a lot more, so rest assured.
Nuff Loads is a trip planning companion for truck drivers. It improves truckers' lives by reducing the frustrations of unproductive days. Nuff Loads recognize the needs of the trucking industry, and truckers themselves as our company bring the latest technology into the transportation space. Our goal is simple: keep every truck loaded. It's as simple as downloading the app. Search for loads, post your trucks for shippers to see. The app is basic and designed to be simple to operate. Search for loads or trucks in any city or in any parish. Haulage contractor, drivers. Gone are the days when you sit in your truck waiting for a load. #NoEmptyTruck. Shippers, companies. Access our app and search for available trucks in your area, whether you have a full warehouse or just need to relocate your furniture. You can find a truck to suit your needs. Nuff Loads app was designed with owner-operator needs in mind. We've made it to solve the needs of truck drivers, companies, and the everyday individuals whose needs are as simple as relocating. It's easy to use, fast, and mobile. Download our app and start.
No man don't perfect, no, we have our vices and our plans. They want me to stumble, I go so hard, I take no pause.